All right. Yeah, Mike. Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining. And I want to speak about Dillon Barnes. Short video, very, very short video. Dillon Barnes is actually another reggae boy. He was on a different move again. Now, he's young, 25 years old, and I think he has a long way to go. And in doing so, he definitely needs to put in a lot more work. And I think he will be fine. I definitely think he will be fine. QPR player on a variety of different types of loan, but I think the time has come now where he's making actually a lower move to get more game time. Game time is a big factor for Dillon Barnes. So guys, please remember to smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button. As you know, let's get straight into the video. What? All right, so Yeovil Town signed QPR goalkeeper Dillon Barnes on a short-term loan. The 25-year-old Jamaican international has previously played for Colchester and on a loan at Hibernian, and is likely to make his debut versus Tarkwa on Sunday afternoon as cover for the suspended Grant Smith. So I think one of the main reasons you would see this move is solely because he wants to get more game time. It's a big factor in regards to him getting better and seeing himself getting selected for, let's say, selected for the Reggae Boy campaign. Not sure if he would make the World Cup squad, but at least put himself in the fourth. No, I don't think so. We already have that position covered. But I think he wants to put himself in the position where his name is being called and he can get himself at least some game time with the national team. But I think for me personally, I think it's a good move. I think this is a move that actually can see him achieving something out of it. But the time will come. I will see based off his performance if his performance improves. If his performance improves, we might see a little bit more from him. But it's tough. It's tough. So let's read. This is from the Yeovil Town FC website. Yeovil Town are delighted to announce the signing of Dillon Barnes on a short-term loan deal from QPR Queen's Park Rangers. The 25-year-old signs as a club have depleted numbers in the goalkeeping position due to Grant Smith's 2-match suspension. Arriving with Football League experience, Barnes has made 25 appearances within the EFL in both League One and 2 for Burton Albion and Colchester United last season. He spent a short spell in the Scottish Premiership with Hibernian, where he made 8 appearances in all competition. Earlier this year, Barnes made his full international debut for Jamaica, starting in a narrow 1-0 defeat to Costa Rica in the CONCACAF Gold Cup. So I don't necessarily need to read any further. So I think this is a good move for him. Get back himself on getting some playing time, because as you know, playing time is a big factor, and he needs that. Every player needs that. Hopefully this can actually kickstart his career, because he's young. He's just 25 years old, and he has a lot more years to go. And you know, with goalkeepers, the older they get, the better they become. That's all. I think so. Yeah. Yeah, of course, that is it. But that's just the goalkeeper ratio. So people, I won't go any further with this one. Tell me what you think about it. Go in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this transfer in speculation. Why is it speculation? Tell me what you think about this transfer, people. So it's been a good one, people. Military Guna TV, and I am out.